Example 1. Find the value of x in log of x plus log of 5 equals to 2. Given log of x plus log of 5 equals to 2. But what are the respective bases of these logarithm terms? Suppose you're given log of 2 without any base. By default, this is the same as log of 2 to base 10. Even if you're given log of x without any base, by default, this is the same as log of x to base 10. So this implies that you have log of x to base 10 plus log of 5 to base 10 equals to a 2. And from product rule, we will have log of x times 5, which is the same as log of 5x. So we will have log of 5x to base 10 equals to a 2. And from logarithm to index notation, we will have 10 squared equals to 5x. But 10 squared is the same as 100. We will have 100 equals to 5x. Dividing 5 on either side, we will have 5 divided by 5. We'll have 20 equals to x. But before we conclude, let's first test for whether the value of x equals to 20 satisfies the equation from the problem. So when x equals to 20, from the problem, we have log of x to base 10 plus log of 5 to base 10 equals to a 2. But our x equals to 20, so we will have log of 20 to base 10 plus log of 5 to base 10 equals to a 2. And from product rule, we will have 20 times 5, which is the same as 100. So we will have log of 100 to base 10 equals to a 2. But 100 is the same as 10 squared. So we will have log of 10 squared to base 10 equals to a 2. And from power rule 2 will become a coefficient of this logarithm. So we will have 2 log of 10 to base 10 equals to a 2. And from identity rule, log of 10 to base 10 is the same as 1. So we'll have 2 into 1 equals to a 2, which is the same as 2 equals to a 2. But since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, therefore our value of x indeed equals to a 20. To best understand the basics, rules, and special cases in logarithm, check out this video. The full link is in the description. To support us, don't forget to subscribe to Outek Math, and for more examples, check out the links in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next.